Coach Cummings here. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the BlazePod activities. Let's select an activity together. Go ahead and choose the core rotation challenge. The first thing you'll see is the activity demo clip showing the setup, starting position, and structure of the activity. When you swipe the demo clip to the left, you'll see the setup diagram showing how to set up your pods. Just below the visuals, you'll see the favorites icon. It's the one that looks like a star. You'll select this to add or remove the activity from your favorites list. To the left of the favorites icon is the collections icon. Select this to add the activity to a collection. We'll talk about collections in another section. And finally, the benchmark button. This is where you can see each player's leaderboard for this specific activity, the community benchmarks, and to find your specific activity web leaderboard URL. Scrolling down, you'll see the name of the activity, the creator info, whether it's a BlazePod activity or a community created activity, and how many times the activity has been completed. The activity description, in addition to the demo clip, will explain the setup, starting position, and structure of the activity in detail. If the activity requires additional accessories, you'll see them listed here. You'll also see the primary goal for the activity listed here as well. Below the activity goals, you'll find the activity settings. These are set by the original creator, but in many cases, you can modify them to suit your specific needs by clicking on the Customize button. Here you can see which of the activity settings can be changed. Adding additional stations will enable you to run the specific activity multiple times in parallel. Just make sure you have enough pods. For example, this particular activity uses 4 pods. So to run a second station, you gotta start with 8 pods. Adding cycles will allow you to add a rest period when the activity ends and then automatically start again after that rest period is complete. And finally, you'll see the player name and color. You should change the player name to guest if it's not you, so that it does not interfere with your personal data collection. Or if you're a pro member, you can add a player. You can also change from player to team if you have multiple players doing the same activity as a group rather than individually. You can always change the player color by tapping on the color icon and choosing from one of the amazing 8 options. Now let's talk about how to start this activity. Start on hit will put the pods in standby mode, and the activity will only begin when one of the pods is tapped. Selecting Start Now will start the activity after a 3-second countdown. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now get tapping.